The Natural Symmetry Theme reached its peak at the Begawan Learning Centre, with the eco-warriors celebrating their hard work and artistic talent. To demonstrate the concept of natural symmetry, they organized the Begawan Art Expo as their final project. Since early January, they have been tirelessly preparing for the event, forming committees, practicing singing and dancing, and even creating accessories. The Art Expo was opened by the chairman of the event, Angga, accompanied by two MCs, Deva and Gayatri. The performance began with the duo Gek Sinta and Gung Putri, who sang the song Persahabatan. The activity continued with dances specifically selected to showcase symmetrical concept. The Eco-Warrior Choir closed the stage performance with the song Laskar Pelangi. The students then came down to the auditorium to demonstrate and sell their artworks. There were seashell mandalas, eco-friendly tote bags, keychains, seed-based body accessories, barong miniatures, paper quilling products, as well as food and beverages. Some workshops were also held by the students. They taught the audience how to make paper quilling and accessories. The interest from visitors was high, and the students made an impressive profit of 800,000 rupiah, which later was divided among themselves in recognition of their hard work. Our eco-warriors did an amazing job demonstrating their talent and environmental awareness at the Begawan Art Expo. We are proud of them and look forward to their future endeavors.